Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokyo Mark 18 NGRS. This one has had a CTR stock conversion that you can see on there, and we've fit the Laylax grip. We've also got installed, reading through, the Psionic R-Hop kit, the Prometheus Type Ball barrel, the Prometheus ball bearings, Prometheus hard gear set, 20:1. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded recoil spring, the FPS spring guide, the FPS piston head, the FPS carbon fiber piston. We've got the Laylax cylinder head, the FPS cylinder. We've got the Prometheus tappet plate, and we've got the Prometheus Anti reversal latch. We've got the the Prometheus air nozzle, so we changed that over. We've got the Gate Titan, the advanced edition. We've got the Ronin 45K motor, which is about as fast as it gets for motors. That we've had to digitally restrict that because that is very, very fast. We've got the Prometheus Gold Trigger, the Sigma one. We've got, like I say, the slimline grip from Laylax, the CTR stock from Magpul, which we've hollowed in a grey, and we've got, that's it for the build. Obviously we've done it to the customer's FPS, and we just want to demonstrate it working here. I'm going to test on some 3.2s, but we've done all of our range testing on 3s for the customer. Obviously the batteries are in the back there, and we're just going to test it on singles. As you can see, it's as quick as you can get it on single shots. There we go. It might possibly be able to go faster. You know, obviously it's a decent sized spring in here, so you should be able to, and it's the only reason it's probably working at this speed is because of that. But yeah, it's tested working at this speed. Obviously that's a very fast rate of fire. It certainly feels fast with obviously that recoil system going backwards and forwards. So yeah, so we hope that's good for you, and we hope you enjoy it. Any questions or problems with the build, just let us know, but hopefully it's all good for dispatch. Thank you.